Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the session so protection actually works. Open the lobby and pick the mode that supports protected play, like creative or a private match. Once selected, change matchmaking privacy to friends or private to limit entry. Also, check account and island permissions. Make sure guests have only the access you intend. Now add or invite players by Epic ID. This immediately reduces random player joins and preserves the protected environment you want to build. Once done with basic privacy, configure the detailed protections inside the session. Change item spawns and damage settings to control combat, lower damage or disable weapons for non-combat zones. Use creative devices, lock doors, deploy barriers, and add triggers that restrict movement. Make admins with full rights and assign guests limited roles or spectator mode to prevent griefing. These steps ensure gameplay behavior matches your intent and keep the experience controlled. To finish, run a quick test with 1 or 2 trusted players to confirm protections work as expected. Save your island and settings so you can restore them anytime, and note admin commands for quick fixes. If you encounter problems, first verify Epic Services status and reconnect if needed, then reset permissions and re-invite affected players. If griefing persists, revoke access for offenders and change the session to private until you implement stronger device-based locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.